So our next speaker is Yves Colinet from Micropole. He will talk about big data in 24 hours. So in other words, Hadoop in the cloud.
Thank you. Hello. So at Micropole we are a consulting environment, but what I would like to discuss with you today is how we address slowly and at a business speed the problematic of big data with big customers of ours. So the idea is to go to the discovery phase of the big data, because gathering data without being able to discover this data. But first of all, before okay, I need to. I thought, okay. So the problem with big data when you start is that you have a lot of pain in that, and that there is a lot of technical pain to start big data for business people. So it's really technologically complex. It's new. There is a lot of innovation. I think we saw a lot of innovation today, and really for the business people, the marketers specifically, it's really something difficult. They see a lot of visualization of data. They don't know always how to manage that, how to use that, and how to interpret that in their own business. So when we speak about difficulty, it's really also a question of architecture, of technology to be able to master. So the effect of big data on the business people is that if he want to know the customer, he needs to activate a lot of technology. And it happens that this technology is not something they can understand and they want. So what is missing at the moment? Definitely a way to create fast, extremely fast, an environment to start completely agnostic from all the technology, to be able to acquire, store, manipulate, and display your data. So our engagement in Micropole is to build your big data in 24 hours. Without effort, any simplicity, in real simplicity, secured, and focusing on the usage, business usage of your environment. So we definitely want to simplify the access to big data. So our methodology is in 4 steps. We coach. We don't ask any knowledge from the technology. We realize the first data studies and the first with you, and we use the cloud for that. Cloud, why? Because of capital expenditure, because of accessibility from all the stakeholders of the project, and to minimize the licensing and flexibility, and having a lot of elasticity in the environment. So what we provide is a data science platform on top of this big data, which is completely agnostic, secured, based on the cloud, and allowing disruption in the way you manage your data and working on iteration of a business. So the idea is to come from your data on the left side, whatever the place and the format, and deliver the analytics with this data science platform. You activate that, you decide where, when, and what type of analytics you want. With that, we have already proven a reduction of project for big data and big analytics of 50% of the project we do. A project which was scoped by the customer for 6 months is now delivered in less than 3 months. So we have first result. The first usage we did so far is allowing data discovery coming from enterprise BI and legacy BI and connecting with all the old BI stuff like business object in this case to big data environment. Another one is this environment is used by our data scientists to deliver and to develop new and disruptive algorithm in lifetime value forecasting, using sentiment analysis to put variable on the analysis of customers of the standard variable enriched by sentiment analysis data, so we can uplift the model. And then, okay. Other usage we are at the moment working on is a social media analysis, which is quite evident for the moment. But a very interesting one in France is connected cars. So car manufacturers become now seller of the data gathered by the car. Active business cases at the moment are working with Peugeot, BNP in Belgium, RTBF, Boulanger in France. So what's in it for you? We are a group. We search for a lot of talents. We have a platform, as I just explained, and we have somehow 22 years of business expertise in the analytics and in business intelligence, in place now to start. How can we help? Let's discuss together. We are ready for that. Thank you.